Today we're going to demonstrate how to actually varnish an Allure aqueous metal sheet print with our timeless matte varnish and a roll coater. You'll need to set up a clean space because you'll actually have some runoff off the metal, and you won't require too much varnish because it's a very thin substrate. First, we're going to go ahead and measure out about half a cup, so that's about 4 ounces of varnish. Remember that most of this is going to be runoff, but you want to have excess varnish to push around on the metal, not to squeeze into the metal with too much pressure. So let's go ahead and get started. Notice how I'm barely pushing any pressure into the metal and letting the roller do most of the work. You're going to want to work it in several different directions, up, down, left, and right, to eliminate those roller marks and those lines that can be left by the roller. And don't worry about going too far off the metal. That's what the scrap canvas below it is for. You want to go ahead and make sure those rollers end past the metal and don't leave those marks. As you can see, the more I work it in, the more they start to disappear and they start to hide into the actual metal and blend well. This is what it's going to look like as it's drying, and as you can see, it's a little bit milky white, it's a little bit opaque, but as it's drying, the metal will absorb the varnish and you will see a crystal clear, nice matte finish.